Everyone, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. 2020 has been one incredible year. I have been granted some absolutely amazing opportunities in this year, and one of those opportunities included me prepping for an event that was star-studded. So yes, I was called on to decorate and design for a celebrity event. And I wanted to just kind of share with you guys a few of the steps that I took in doing so. So one of the first things that we did was that we went to the area and we visited a warehouse that was filled with gorgeous, luxurious flowers. I wanted something that was very opulent, very different, and a lot of the designers that I was going to have on staff were extremely talented, and one of them was my mentor. And here is the color palette that we had decided on for this event. They also had the flowers just kind of grouped together by the colors, and I just thought that was so aesthetically pleasing. We also visited another store that all they did was like tablescapes. They had every charger, every plate, every seat cushion, every piece of cutlery that you could possibly imagine. I just was so enthralled with my visit and the entire process. Like, just learning how to plan and prep for this celebrity event was absolutely astounding. The last thing that we did was visited the actual venue in which the event was going to be held. And we just used that time to kind of brainstorm and troubleshoot and just learn so many different things about different vendors and contractors and different rules and regulations that did not really exist in our realm or in our area here in Alabama. Overall, going through that preparation process taught me so much about event planning, and I cannot wait to pass those learnings on to you guys in my new Luxe Academy that will launch in March. So the next thing, once you got all of your materials and goods and things like that together, the next thing you wanted to do was like basically get your total look together. And that was so important for me because I wanted to make sure that, I represented not only myself well, but my brand well. So I did select this outfit from Ross, and I thought it turned out absolutely gorgeous. And I ended up recording a commercial for eFavorMart because I am officially the ambassador for them. So I will leave that link down below for you guys to check that commercial out. Okay, so now we're going to switch gears. You guys know I've been sharing some amazing deals that I've been finding, and Office Depot is no exception. I found these New Balance backpacks. They are on clearance for 90% off. I thought these were some amazing deals, especially for those of you guys who have children that are going to school next year or going to college. I thought these were very fashionable. They had lots of pockets. They also had the duffel bags for any of you that may have kids that are in athletics or PE, or if you travel and you want to do a carry-on. This is extremely inexpensive. They were only $4.94. The original price was like $44. So yes, they are 90% off. I found these at my local Office Depot. I just wanted to share this deal with you guys just in case you guys have an Office Depot near you and you want to run in and check out these deals. I absolutely love these because we do a book bag drive every year with my ministry. And so grabbing these deals for a fraction of the price, it's just an absolutely amazing find for me. Even the little cinch bags are like $2.94, and you cannot beat these deals. Even like at Walmart or the Dollar Tree, you're not going to get this same quality piece, for 90% off. I just felt like those were great. Also, Kohl's, one of you guys made me aware of the clearance sale at Kohl's. They do have Christmas decor 90% off, like this lantern. It was originally $59.99 and now it is on clearance for $5.99. It also has LED lights, and I just think this is really cool for someone who has more modern home decor or transitional home decor, especially around the Christmas holidays. I had to talk myself out of buying these little houses. I actually thought about spray painting them gold and creating a Christmas village or Christmas vignette in my front door, but I'm not sure if I'm even going to be in this same house next year. So I passed on these, but I did want to share these deals with you guys just in case you want to run to Kohl's and check out these amazing finds that they have for the Christmas holidays. They also had like ornaments. They also had wreaths and garlands and other lanterns. Again, I love the stars in this one. The little houses, it would be great for a Christmas village. In the back was like an antler candle holder. I thought that was amazing. It just had some really cool things. And again, a lot of these had the LED lights. They lit up. And I just feel like, you know, they would be great to add to your home if you had more modern or transitional decor. I love this Noel sign. It was also LED, and the Merry Christmas, or it just said Merry, the stocking holder. It was extremely heavy, you guys, and it was $5.99 as well. If the items are not ringing up, I would just carry them to customer service and validate the pricing there. So yeah, some really good deals out there right now. Those are the wreaths that I was telling you guys about earlier with the deer antlers hanging down. You know, I am a sucker for like napkin holders and salt and pepper shakers. So I thought this St. Nicholas collection was absolutely gorgeous with the little snowmen. I don't know if you guys collect salt and pepper shakers like myself or if you love snowmen, but I just felt like that was a great deal for 90% off as well. I also came across these wintergreen Winter Wonderland placemats, and they were only 89 cents each. OMG. Okay, yes. So you guys get to your nearest Kohl's to check out a lot of these amazing deals on Christmas decor and also clothing and just different little gifts that I think will be great for teachers. Like this one, it says school fuel, and then the little stemless wine glass that says after school. They also had these sweater in the blue color that is the Pantone color of the year. So there you guys have it. All of the deals and steals and thrills that's going on in my life right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this Mod Podgy type video. Thank you so much for all of your unwavering support. And remember, if you want to join the virtual Lux for Less class for just $1.99 through March the 1st, I will leave that link down below. I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.